Claudia and I just finished teaching a multi-day video workshop in New York. It was awesome. In spite of horrible weather. Global weirding, anyone? Immediately following the workshop, we had a photo meetup right there at Hasselblad's New York Experience Studio, and I did a presentation on medium format street photography. We are both kind of wiped out. But I liken it to the feeling you have at the end of a day of body surfing or hiking, skiing. Pick your own exertion, whether you're teaching or attending, bone tired, exhausted, but at the same time profoundly at peace and just amazed at how good life can be. Especially when you do it with other like-minded people who share your passions, enthusiasms, and curiosity, and who just happen to be lovely human beings. We've had this same feeling from the free photo walks we've done in Cologne, New York, and London. They are a reminder, a necessary reminder for me these days, I don't know about you, that there still is good and light and kindness, thoughtfulness and generosity, creativity and humor in this world. So today I want to do a couple of things. First, I want to give a big shout out to Hasselblad and Adorama for sponsoring our recent workshops. You guys have been wonderfully supportive, and because of this, have helped us to transcend the genre, elevating them to really life-affirming experiences. So thank you. Second, I want to tell you, dear YouTube viewers, that there are other folks putting on just incredible photography events out there, not just in New York. We loved spending time with wonderful photographer and a good friend of ours, Sean Tucker, at his street photography workshop in London, for example. Friends like Matt Granger, Toby Gelston, and Kevin Raber go beyond workshops to offer tours all over the world. Right now, though, rather than do a survey of what's out there or talk about our own next workshop, though, yeah, that's coming up in October in New York, and it will be amazing just like our last two, I want to tell you instead about a singular two-day experience being put on by another industry friend of ours, August 13th to 16th in Sun River, Oregon. It's Kando 3.0, put on by our friends at Sony, and Claudia and I cannot recommend it highly enough. We had the good fortune of being at Kando 2.0 last year, and I can tell you point blank, it was the most artistically inspiring few days we have ever spent together. I mean, we had a blast. Saw old friends, made new friends, did good work. We even commissioned a soundtrack for this behind-the-scenes video we did afterward. We've been on a creative tear ever since. Many of the instructors from last year will be back, including friends like Brian Smith, Garrett and Amber Baird, Drew Garassi, Thibaut Roland. You just can't find a nicer, more accomplished group of people. The venue is invariably superb, the instruction top-notch, the opportunity to play with gear unmatched, and the camaraderie a joy. I'm not yet sure if Claudia and I will be there this time. We're working on it. And the cost is far from chump change if your application is accepted. But if you have the time and wherewithal, it's the kind of thing that just might light your creative fuse. I'll put links to it in the show notes down below so you can explore for yourself. No commission or anything else to us. We just think it's great. So that's it for today. Hopefully, we'll see you there.